Just a quick video of how the contraption looks on my helmet. As you can see, the camera is on there, mounted to the front. Other lens is mounted on the back. Get the steps out of the way so you can see what's happening there. Just 2 steps on it, other side too. Maybe in direct sunlight. Base plate. Nothing really special, but it really does the job. Cannondale helmet, Cannondale in the front, Cannondale in the back. Keep the helm steady. Hopefully you can see the part number. Well, that's the inside. Well, that's the camera mount. That's how it's done.